Hi everyone, welcome to our third video newsletter. We are just going to get straight into it. This is the word sort that is coming home today. As you can see, there are titles up at the top. There is no oddball this week. So when your child cuts these words out, you can just go ahead and throw that square away. Sorry, I'm doing it backwards. But these are the headings: double, e-drop, and then nothing. So for example, the word setting way over here has the base word is set, but when you add an ing, the T becomes a double. So setting goes in the double category. The same goes for hiking. The base word is hike, which is spelled with an E. Well, when you add an ing, you take off the E drops, and then you add an ing. And then for the base word reading, nothing happens when you add the ending ing. So read is the base word, and so because nothing happens, it goes in the nothing category. So like I mentioned earlier, there are no oddballs, so this square can be cut out and thrown away. But we are going to talk about this word sort a little bit more in detail after lunch, and hopefully they will be able to know what the base words are and sort them at home based upon this list. So this list is coming home tonight. Please let me know if you don't get one. The next piece of information that I'm going to provide you with today is our math homework. So today we are going to be working on these multiplication and division triangles. You are going to get a set coming home. It's going to look like this, and it's going to be stapled. And so they're going to have to cut this out at home. And essentially, let's say if we look at the 4x2 triangle right here, you would have them cover up the 4. And when you cover up where the dot is, that is the answer. So when we're working on multiplication, you would cover up the 4 and you would say, okay, what is 2 times 2? And they would have to say 4, and then they could check their answer by uncovering it. When you divide, you would just cover up one of the corners. So in this case, we would be doing division because we're not covering up that dot right by the 4. So it would be 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and they could check their answer that way. They're going to have a class set here at school to practice multiplication and division skills. I am just sending home a class, not a class set, but a home set so that they could practice at home. So as you progress, like they're all stapled together. So they don't connect anyway. It's not a puzzle, but they are just more like flashcards, just in a different way. So once again, you would cover up where the dot is to practice multiplication. So it would be 5 times 4 in this triangle. Sorry, I'm trying to do this without looking at the screen. So you would multiply 5 times 4, and it would get you 20, okay? So those are coming home. You can use those on this back page of homework tonight. So you can help them in any way. So they're going to be using the numbers 2, 5, and 10 to form the following facts. So they're essentially working on fact families, which is what these triangles are. These are fact family triangles. So we will be working together on how to write fact families, but this is what they're going to be working on at home just to practice. And then the next item of business is there's going to be lots of cutting this week. So hopefully the kiddos can get a chance to, I will provide baggies for them to cut this out at school because it's going to take them a while. So today in social studies, I have a half-day sub. So they are going to be working on the states that border Missouri, and they are going to be coloring them and cutting them out. I have a few sets that they can use in class if they lose this, but today they're going to color them, all the states different colors, and then they're going to cut them out along the lines. And I have 2 copies. This copy is the Keep at Home copy. So they're going to have the opportunity to cut this out and color it here at school. If they don't get a chance to get that done, it's going to come home tonight and they can cut it out at home. And they can practice at home, putting them where they go. We have come up with a wrap. We have done a Kahoot. We have been working really hard on remembering what states go around Missouri. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here, so just drop an email, and I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for watching.